In front of me is Xiaomi Mix Flip, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access fingerprints, face data and screen lock. Now click screen lock over here and tap on one of those login methods to pick a perfect one for you. Pattern, PIN or password. Then wait 5 seconds to hit got it in the pop-up and create your login method. Repeat it to confirm it. Choose confirm at the bottom right corner and finally select whatever you want to in fingerprint pop-up. Then go back. So now when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can set pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!